Is that nice, Fred?
Big money at stake here.
Let's do this.
Pressure is right on. Now then, if the chaser gets a question wrong, is he going to find it push you back one step? Time for the final chase. Chaser, your time starts now. What's the first UK bank holiday of the year?
New Year's Day.
Correct. What nationality is Slumdog Millionaire star Peter Pinto?
She's Spanish.
Stop the clock, there's one.
He's a good boy.
British.
It's not it.
No.